Welcome to Primo RV Center and a first look at a brand new 246 RKS. This is the brand new and fully updated 2022 version. Super excited to have this one finally back. It's one of our most popular couples models every year, and certainly one that we've had a very difficult time getting our hands on the last couple of years and high demand. This is their new cloud interior, so very bright on the fabrics and the counters and the floors. So with that paired with the LED lights, very bright in here for a smaller space while it still has a slide out. They don't go to the deep slide here, so that does allow it to be closer to the ground, more aerodynamic, and a lighter tow. So somebody with a mid-size SUV that has a higher capacity certainly gives more vehicle choice here in a wonderful design that you can certainly do some big tours with. Absolutely wonderful storage everywhere, great storage outside. Little new feature here, I'll just highlight, they've got the little tag here. This is something brand new they've just added. So this is a new tire pressure monitor system that comes with all of our Freedom Express coaches in the mainline Freedom Express or the Maple Leaf Edition Freedom Express. So a really great feature, comes with a little screen, so if you do have a tire issue or a drop in pressure, it's going to notify you in the cab of your coach that, hey, it's time to go have a look at that, pull over, and again, keep you safer over time, help you to keep those tires in great shape as well. We'll start at the back here. We have a fully 12-volt fridge here with freezer as well. Huge residential style, and the reason they've gone to the 12-volt is it does allow them to get rid of the propane element, make a much bigger fridge. So you're into the 10 cubic foot capacity versus a traditional 6 or maybe an 8 if you were lucky. So someone who's on a longer trip is going to appreciate that. And that pairs with a 180 watt solar panel that is already on the roof here. So you've got the ability to be off grid a lot easier. You've got the ability to, especially with a couple of batteries in the front, leave your fridge running in storage for the week before you go on your next trip. So again, some more convenience they've just added, which is really wonderful. Great rear kitchen design here. Got a wonderful backsplash here that'll again help keep things off the wall, but then you can also pivot the glass top back here as well to be a backsplash as well. Look at all the light that we get here as well as the ventilation from the back. So really great features. And as we get in the middle, you'll see the big windows in the center as well that really help with a lot of cross flow everywhere they can here. They've added storage and drawers, wonderful proprietary cutlery drawer. Again, so something that typically a lot of manufacturers don't use. Here they use it really, really well to maximize that storage. Lots of counter space, a really deep sink. That sink is rated to 500 degrees, so you can take a hot pot right off here and no issues at all. Another update they did very end of 2021. So all the panels you see on the wall here, just like the sidewall construction they use on the outside, there is no wood product in that wall. So great feature here. If you had a bit of a flood in the kitchen, you're worried about that wall panel, hey, did I damage something? Is something going to happen? There isn't anything in that wall that is a wood product to absorb any moisture, which is a wonderful feature on the inside of the coach. Also helping to lighten it up. It's also a better sound dampener for you and your neighbors. So all good things. Great drawers here in the slide. We've got a great little pantry here as well at the end of the slide out. Our couch will drop down. This is our new cloud color. We've got the built-in cup holders here, which you can flip up. You've got USB as well, so you can charge your devices. You've got wonderful, huge windows here, and there's two of them, and they're across from each other, so you get great cross flow. It's a very popular coach with pet owners for obvious reasons, with all that ventilation, that if you're in a pinch and you had to leave them behind, but you couldn't run air conditioning for some reason, you have a ton of windows here, so you can get that airflow through here you need to keep them safe. You've got great storage above the dinette. The dinette table will be fully removable, so you can take that right outside and make that your primary dining. But you do have a portable table that comes with the coach in the front of the front storage compartment, which is huge. We've got our full entertainment here. The TV will swivel towards the couch area, so you can use that as a great spot at the end of the day. Watch the news, watch a movie at some point if you wish. We've got our main entertainment system here that'll allow us to stream music to it. So if you're sitting outside, you can stream things to it. We've got 12-volt charging there as well. Great little spot to charge your devices up top there, and lots of storage for additional dishes, games, books, everything else right there. We've got some nightshades here, so if you wanted to use these as bunks, which we get a lot of certainly grandparents looking to do. So you've got basically two bunks across from each other here, or if you've got children that are not going to be there a whole lot, it does offer some opportunities to not necessarily have a bunk model, but to give you two additional large beds that adults or certainly kids can sleep on. As we head to the back, one of the features that everybody absolutely has always loved on this coach is the additional storage you get. So not just around the bed for clothes, but you get this wide double door enclosed hanging area here, or you can certainly put shoes and boots and everything else. So someone who does want to perhaps travel and needs 3 seasons of clothing, you know, a winter coat, those kind of things, this coach, in a smaller coach, kind of that 25-foot mark, does give you that additional storage that you typically will need on those kind of adventures. So just below the TV here, we have our control for our AC as well as our furnace. Even though it's a shorter unit, we still have ducted AC, which is wonderful. So that takes it right into the front bedroom. So even with the divider closed, you're still going to get hot and cold air in there, which is great. And then as we come to the back here, wonderful angled door here, which does allow you to access the bathroom on the road. Got a great large glassed-in shower with a skylight. We do have ventilation is here as well. Medicine cabinet, vanity with great storage. We've got porcelain toilet here as well. So again, a little bit more feel to a home-like quality here. Great hanging spots already for towels and bathrobes and all that good stuff. And then again, they've maximized the storage late last year, adding the ability to easily lift the bed here. It's on 2 pistons. You can slide in shoes and boots underneath here. 2 little alcoves on either side. Put the laundry basket under there. And then on either side of the bed, we've got the 2 large drawers. So again, that paired with the storage you already have around the bed, plus that additional wardrobe, gives you an awful lot of storage in a smaller coach, which is certainly something that draws people to this unit. We've got a prep in here for television, so you can certainly have 2 in the coach in divided areas. We've got that wonderful large window, which does have a blackout shade as well. Individual reading lights here. We do have a vent in the bedroom as well. Again, ducted AC. We've got 2 windows, one being an emergency exit, but as you can see there, we can louver that one open. Even if it's raining, we're going to get lots of airflow. And then we've got screens on all those windows as well. So whether it's early season, late season, bugs aren't going to be bothering you in here with all the screens, but all that ventilation as well. We'd invite you at the Primo RV Center to come have a closer look at this brand new 246 RKS. My name's Michelle, and I'd be very happy to take you through, certainly from my customers' perspectives, one of the most popular couples coaches we can offer and that we've ever had the ability to sell.